Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 101. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 3, 1. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.